So somebody went shopping today. Holla at your boy. I'm gonna tell you about it in a sec. Stay tuned. What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are doing well, getting prepared for this cut season. All right, fam, we're putting some stuff together. All right, today I'm at my dealer. I'm dealing with Blake again today. We're setting up a couple of things as far as small engine equipment. You know how the small engine equipment goes down, and when you suffer small breakdowns and you turn it in, your dealer cannot get those small engine back to you fast enough. So I'm gonna purchase a few just to have some, in reserve, and also hopefully things goes well as planned, actually putting together a third truck, because I got to get the second truck moving though. I ain't got the second truck moving yet, guys. Only got one truck moving, but our idea is to have two trucks moving this year. That is the plan. So third truck, I'm just gonna get it stacked and ready to go. So let's see what I got. BR600 blowers. That's gonna go on one of the trailers and then the box truck. And then I got a new truck that I hadn't bought yet, but I'm planning on buying sometime in the future, God willing. And I got two weed eaters. Really, I need four, but I don't know if you just got two right here. I got a curve stick edge, and then I'm gonna get me a trimmer. Let me tell you why I like the Stihl FS94R. I love that you can control the throttle. Ain't nothing like getting your finger, you gotta hold that mud just right so you won't be shooting too many rocks out, or just hard enough to where you need to knock down some stuff, like some tall weeds. But what's my thoughts on the BR600? They blow. They do the job. I don't do a lot of leaf cleanups, but if I did, it would do the job. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, the best blower out there for me, it's gonna be that Red Max 8500. That mug really blows. It's heavy as hell though, but the Stihl, light as a feather. You wanna put that on your back and you wanna keep going. That doggone Red Max, nobody at the end of cutting wants to go out and grab that one. They always want to grab the Stihl because the Stihl is lighter. So that's what I like when it comes to the Stihl, lighter weight. Now, stick edger got the curved one, didn't get the straight one, and I'm just testing it out. I don't know if there's any difference with the curve or with the straight. Hey, you can comment down there, let me know if you prefer curve versus straight when it comes to the edger. Let me know. Now, I really don't like doing the string. I can do the string, but my guys, that line be curvy. So we're doing the stick edging. That's the way we get down at Quick Cutz, straight edger. Now, I believe that's all. Oh, I'm getting a beautiful trimmer, okay? Oh, I'm covered. I'm covered this year. I'm covered. You hear me? Let me tell you what I'm doing. All right, for the trimmer, I got the HL 94K. Now, why do I like this trimmer? I like this Hedge trimmer because it got the flexible head, and believe me, a lot of times when you got, some brush or whatever that's really high, you need to get at it. It's really easy to get at, and also I got the handheld trimmers as well. I'll show you what that is. I went with the handheld because a lot of times the hedges are really low and you want to get in there and get out. And the long ones with the pole, kind of wicked when you're trying to get in between the house. I always got that little crazy part when you can't get it just right. So the handheld, get in there for the low brushes, get it out of there, get it done. So I stocked up, y'all, and you want to know how much it cost me? It cost me a pretty penny, but I got a discount. Now, the thing is, that I have a good relationship with my dealer. So when you go out and you have a good relationship with your dealer, you will get better prices. You know, I beat the people who, if you got it online, and you can order a lot of stuff online. But here, when you come, they see your face, they actually want to give you a discount, especially when they know you're about doing business with them. So check out your local dealer. Now, if you really want to know what I paid for it, just ask me in the comment section and I may look out for you and tell you what I got. So I'm gonna show you everything again, and there you go. You'll see what I'm getting started with this year. All right, just so you know that I went shopping, and yes, it is not Black Friday. However, it is almost Pro Day. If you don't know anything about Pro Day, you better go down to your dealer and ask them about it. We got a Pro Day coming up, but my guy at my dealer, he said, hey, I got a deal for you that you can't resist. He gave me a call, told me about it. I was like, I'll be over there in a minute. Then I came over and we worked out a deal. This is the reason why you want to get your dealer. This is the reason why you want to find your dealer close to you and show your face. Don't worry about it, about how much money you don't have. Talk to them, get to know them, and as time grows, when you do have it, boom, they're ready to make a deal. So I know some of y'all saying like, man, you must be doing it big because look at all the pieces of equipment you got there. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna share something with you. No, I'm not. However, what I did do was take some of my investment money and I invested in my business. That's all I did. The money that I earned last year, instead of going out, blowing it, because remember, I have a full-time job, so therefore, a lot of the money that I make, I can do what I want with it. And what I do with it is I feed the baby. So I went out and bought me some equipment. That's my investment. So just in case we get hyperinflation in the next 2 days, I just made some money because all these prices are gonna go up, but you never know. So this is what I bought. Tell me what your thoughts are. If you really wanna know how much I paid for it, just say, tell me how much you paid for it. And I will put it in the comment section. As if this video gets more than, let's say 500 views. If I get more than 500 views, I'm gonna post in the description section how much I paid, what I bought, and the whole enchilada. All right, cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.